everyone, welcome to Being Classy. My name is Jessica. In this video, I'd like to show you how to send audio messages on your iPhone using the speech-to-text feature in your Messages application. Open up your Messages application, and from here, find your microphone icon located on the right-hand side of your text box, or if you do not see it there, it will be on the bottom right corner of your keyboard. If you select this, you then will enable speech-to-text to send voice messages. Hello, this is Jessica. I am checking in to see how you are doing today, period. Please let me know, exclamation point. When you are capturing audio, your microphone on the bottom right-hand corner will have a gray circle around it. Hello, this is Jessica. When you are ready to send your message, select the arrow, and there you have it. How to use speech-to-text to send audio or voice messages on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to Being Classy, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.